Hey MGMC, how are you doing? I know we're trying to survive this coronavirus, but this is a great opportunity to give. And so we're going to be partnering up with Nani Kupuna Protestant Church and Lanakila Meals on Wheels to deliver Kupuna kits. So for uncles and aunties that they need supplies, whether it be canned goods or toilet paper, paper towels, hand sanitizer, anything like that, we're going to have a drop-off location here at MGMC. Here's the deal. Tomorrow morning, so Monday, we're going to open up our doors at 11:30. So from 11:30 to 5, you can come and drop off your goods. And then also on Tuesday, we will open up at 8:30 and we'll go 8:30 to 11:30. Bring your goods by. When you're here, honk your horn. I or somebody will meet you outside. You can just take your things out, leave it there. We will pick it up and put it in a secure place. Hey, look forward to seeing you. We'll talk to you soon.